Tonight, President Trump spoke about the horrific violence at Brown University and in Australia. Near the White House, thousands gathered for the lighting of the national menorah amid rising anti-Semitic violence worldwide. CBS's Willie James Inman is there with more on what the president had to say about that event, as well as what's expected on Capitol Hill this week. Willie James.
Hey there, Jerika. Good evening to you. President Trump paid respects to the victims of the attacks in both Australia and at Brown University today during a Christmas reception at the White House.
President Trump today condemned Australia's deadliest shooting in nearly 3 decades amid rising anti-Semitic violence.
And I think today we can first say loudly, we celebrate Hanukkah, because that was such a horrible attack. That was a purely anti-Semitic attack.
The president also spoke about the attack at Brown University.
To the 9 injured, get well fast, and to the families of those 2 that are no longer with us, I pay my deepest regards and respects from the United States of America.
On Capitol Hill this week, a healthcare crunch. On January 1st, millions of Americans face much higher costs if Congress doesn't act to extend subsidies by the new year. The House votes on a GOP plan this week that would allow small businesses to join together to purchase insurance for employees. It does not extend Affordable Care Act subsidies. Democrats call it deeply unserious. Dueling Senate proposals failed to advance last week. On Sunday's Face the Nation, Republican Senator Bill Cassidy said a bipartisan compromise can be reached.
I think there's a deal to be had here. We need to push for that deal.
ACA recipients have until tomorrow to choose their health insurance for next year, and with no clear pathway to extend the subsidy, millions are expected to see their premiums increase by 114% in January. Jerika?
Willie James Inman at the White House, thank you.